Hello guys, today we will see how to use ultrasonic sensor and 16:2 LCD with Arduino. Ultrasonic module will generate the ultrasonic waves which are above the human detectable frequency range, that is above 20 kHz. So in our case we will be transmitting the frequency of 40 kHz. Ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins, that is VCC, trigger, echo and ground. VCC is connected to the 5V, trigger is input for that sensor, and microcontroller will apply the pulse of 10 microsecond to the ultrasonic module. Echo pin is output of that sensor, so the microcontroller will read or monitor that pin to detect the obstacle or to find the distance, and ground is connected to the ground. As I said, in ultrasonic module, that is HCSR04, we have to give the trigger pulse on trigger pin so that it will generate the ultrasound of frequency 40 kHz. After generating the ultrasound, that is 8 pulse of 40 kHz, it makes echo pin high. Echo pin will remain high until it does not get echo sound back. So the width of the echo pin will be the time for the sound to travel to the object and return back. Once we get the time, we can calculate the distance based on the formula, as we know the speed of the sound. And ultrasonic module can measure the range from 2 cm to 400 cm. So let's build the hardware now. We will be using the same hardware which was built in the previous videos. Refer my previous videos for more detail for LCD interface and air temperature sensor interface. Let's see the code now. In the code we have included the library for I2C interface, which will be used for the MLX90614 sensor, and we have included the library for temperature sensor as well. And this library is used for the LCD, that is 16:2 LCD. Here we are assigning the pins to the LCD interface, and here we are initializing the instance, and we are passing the pins to that instance. Here we are taking the instance for the MLX90614, and these two pins will be used for the ultrasonic sensor, that is trigger pin and echo pin. Here we are initializing the serial interface, and here we are initializing the LCD. Here we are setting the pin mode, that is trigger pin will be the output and echo pin will be the input to the Arduino, and here we are initializing the air temperature sensor. So here we are printing something on LCD. And in while loop we are continuously reading and we are continuously printing the data on LCD. So here we are giving the pulse of 10 microsecond. Here we are making the pin high, we are giving the delay, and again we are making the pin low. Here we will get the raw time, and here we are calculating the distance based on this formula. Here we are printing the distance and temperature on LCD with the periodicity of 500 millisecond. So let's see the demo now.